I made an anvil pattern out of wood and cut it and sanded it into shape, painted it, ready for sand casting at the steel foundry. First I made a stencil out of paper and cut it out with a pair of scissors. This pair of scissors is called Julius scissor. I finished making the stencil and then I traced around the stencil with a Sharpie just to get the shape of the anvil, and then I cut out all the anvil shapes with a jigsaw. I spent a lot of time cutting and sanding and making a lot of changes to the shape of the anvil pattern. I even did quite a number on my finger, which I can speak about in the longer video. Besides from using a large angle grinder and a small angle grinder to do a lot of the shaping, I also used files and a Dremel tool to shape the tiny little pieces in the corners. I used a large drill bit and a lot of chiseling to make the hardy holes, a lot of smooth white wood filler, a lot of sanding, and then we painted the anvil pattern with 3 coats of paint so that it will quite easily go into and out of the sand mold just before the casting happens. And that is my favorite part. When we get to the casting next week, that's going to be a huge amount of fun. This is just a trailer video. If you want to see the long form video that I'm going to make of the whole process of making this anvil, then please like and subscribe and leave a comment. I love you all.